If your iPhone feels weird, laggy, or buggy after updating to the iOS 26 beta, you're not alone. App crashes, overheating, UI glitches, poor battery life. These are all common beta issues. But the good news is, there are some easy fixes that can help stabilize your phone. Let's go through each of them step by step. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. This clears temporary bugs from the system. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until your phone closes. Restart your phone by releasing the power button and pausing it until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase any data. It just forces the system to reboot. Solution 2. Reset all settings. If your phone feels glitchy or systems don't behave properly, open Settings, then go to General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This won't delete your photos or data, just resets settings like Wi-Fi, notifications, and layout. Solution 3. Check for a beta update. Apple usually releases hot fixes quickly. Go to Settings, then open General. Select Software Update. If iOS 26 Beta 1.5 or later is available, download it. These updates often fix bugs from earlier betas. Solution 4. Wait or roll back to iOS 18. Betas are unstable by nature. If your phone is unusable, you can downgrade back to iOS 17 using a Mac or PC. I'll cover this process in full detail on another video, so you can just watch that to get a better understanding. Well, in any case, the iOS 26 beta is exciting, but it's not perfect. Hopefully these tips helped smooth out the experience. If your iPhone is still buggy, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Leave a like if this helps, and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.